Anytype versus Capacities versus Obsidian versus Notion. Which one should you be using for notes or knowledge management? Hey guys, in this video I'm going to break down 4 rising note-taking tools. Anytype, Capacities, Obsidian, and Notion, so you can pick the one that actually fits your workflow best. Let's start with Notion. It's the all-in-one workspace. Think notes, databases, task lists, calendars, even full websites. Great if you want total control over how you organize your life or work, but it can get heavy fast, especially if you're not into deep customization. Now let's talk about Obsidian. Obsidian is built for deep thinkers and writers who love Markdown and linking ideas together. If you're into building a second brain or doing knowledge mapping, Obsidian is smooth and powerful. It works locally, so your data stays private, but it takes time to learn and set up your system. Next up is Anytype. Anytype feels like a privacy-focused mix between Notion and Obsidian. It uses blocks like Notion and strong encryption like Obsidian. You own your data, and it's open source. Great if you care about security and structure without giving away your info. Finally, there's Capacities. Capacities is super minimal. Perfect if you just want to write fast and clean. It's lightweight, distraction-free, and built for people who hate fluff. But it's still early, and some features are missing compared to the others. So which one is better? If you want full control and flexibility, go with Notion. If you're all about privacy, Markdown, and linking ideas, try Obsidian. For structured notes with ownership of your data, check out Anytype. And if you want something ultra lightweight and simple, Capacities might feel right. All 4 are awesome, just built for different kinds of thinkers. Let me know in the comments which one you use, and if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe. See you next time.